Hey guys, before I start this video, I just wanted you guys to know that I was really lazy to edit this video because I was so hungry. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Hey guys, sorry if you hear any background noise. I don't know if you can, but yeah, sorry if you hear any of that. But basically I'm quitting the Roblox community. I'm not quitting Roblox, but I'm quitting the Roblox YouTube community. I've gotten really bored of it, and I'm going to be going to animations. And this is the second time I've used my voice in a video, but yeah. Anyways, so I hope you guys will follow the account. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. It's called Jamberry with an I. But yeah, I do maps, collabs, animations, that type of stuff. So I hope you follow. I will be posting there now, not here. I deleted all of my previous videos, but I won't delete this one. So yeah. Thank you guys for 40 subscribers, by the way. But that's it. Bye. And before I leave, I just want to say biggest shout out to Gum Wings. I'm gonna put the YouTube channel on the screen. They've literally been on my channel since I started it. Not since I had 13 subscribers, and I used to post gacha. So thank you so much, Gum Wings.